I like you. What / who do you like? Sentences with I like. I like him. I like both. I like cats. I like this. I like jazz. I like rap. I like snow. I like you. I like cats. I like pizza. I like rice. I like him. I like cake. I like John. I like picnics. I like flowers. I like soccer. I like math. I like cake. I like reading. I like science. I like to sing. I like a fun job. I like city life. I like apples. I like tennis. I like winter. I like bowling. I like cooking. I like to eat. I like surfing. I like movies. I like to cook. I like cycling. I like this car. I like to travel. I like oranges. I like her face. I like studying. I like this one. I like English. I like traveling. I like dancing. I like my pets. I like your hat. I like to teach. I like to draw. I like going out. I like baseball. I like the movie. I like to read. I like everything. I also like that. I like to see her. I like meatloaf. I like meatloaf. I like chocolate. I like his music. I like red roses. I like traveling. I like to stay here. I like my new job. I like staring at her. I like a cup of tea. I like jazz music. I like short hair. I like sleepovers. I like to work out. I like my new bike. I like my parents. I like candlelight. I like this room. I like seeing her. I like watching TV. I like it very much. I like love stories. I like movies a lot. I like taking walks. I like to see you. I like black cats. I like my new car. I like growing up. I like my teacher. I like being tall. I like the blue skirt. I like to play tennis. I like seeing dance. I like to eat apples. I like to watch TV. I like taking a nap. I like their pictures. I like Japanese food. I like my new class. I like new creations. I like classical music. I like to do what I like. I like playing sports. I like you very much. I like to go to the gym. I like to eat like a pig. I like reading books. I like my new jacket. I like drinking coffee. I like to see him work. I like eating salad. I like being creative. I like what he said. I like it in that order. I like the new design. I like her new look. I like my new house. I like your new suit. I like going on trips. I like your group. I like her husband. I like taking a walk. I like velvet closets. I like to sing songs. I like taking hot baths. I like going swimming. I like Chinese food. I like my new school. I like going to school. I like to listen to rap. I like to visit Canada. I like my grandparents. I like eggs for breakfast. I like winning the race. I like to ride on trains. I like to go to London. I like my job very much. I like tennis very much. I like the way you look. I like the way you sing. I like the way you talk. I like your taste in color. I like to dance with you. I like to be spontaneous. I like to swim like a fish. I like to dance with him. I like going to concerts. I like the way she acts. I like your younger brother. I like to live in New York. I like going to the movies. I like seeing new places. I like to see your sister. I like everything about her. I like seeing the doctor. I like being a big brother. I like sleeping late at night. I like instrumental music. I like sleeping with a blanket. I like going to restaurants. I like the way she smiles. I like to rent a compact car. I like to stay for one night. I like to use the computer. I like ice cream for dessert. I like a cup of tea every day. I like sitting wherever I like. I like to play with my friends. I like to eat as much as I like. I like being treated like a king. I like eating eggs for breakfast. I like reading amazing books. I like French food very much. I like being with honest people. I like to know the exact time. I like to act like I own the place. I like to see you with great power. I like the way he took care of me.